The Himalaya company is operating in its existing premises for the last 35 years or so, and they always operate in such a manner that their operations do not pollute the environment in which they are operating. So all their operations and initiatives are directed towards this. In fact, Himalaya is one of the few companies which have installed a rooftop solar power plant, and their effluent treatment plant is one of the plants which is approved by the Pollution Control Board, and we are well recognized in the field of environmental management. So the management has given freedom to us to manage the facility in such a way that our operations do not affect the environment at all. We have been having problems in disposing of the wet waste generated from the canteen, be it the chopped vegetables or the wasted food. Wasted food is inevitable in a big canteen like ours, which feeds about 2,000 persons every day. So earlier we were disposing of this to an outside agency, and if the outside agency doesn't turn up, then it used to create problems of putrefaction, bad odor, and related problems. We were scouting around for a suitable technology to dispose of this problem, and then we came across the organic waste converter, which we inspected in several places and found it to be working satisfactorily, and decided to go for it in our installation also. Today, the entire wet waste generated in our campus, about 200 to 300 kg, is converted into manure by using this equipment, and the entire manure, once we charge the load on the 14th day, we get fully composted manure, and this manure is used in our campus, which is 28 acres big. The entire the greenery is further strengthened by using this manure, and the growth of the greenery in our campus stands testimony to the quality of the manure generated by using this plant. In fact, we have also analyzed the manure by subjecting it to chemical analysis for its NPK value, and it is better than the farmyard manure, which we have to buy at a price from outside. The entire waste now gets converted in a very environment friendly manner into manure, which is used in our garden. The growth of greenery in our premises is the result of this operation. Anybody who visits our campus are very happy to note the greenery which surrounds the plant, and feel very happy to have visited our campus. In disposing of the wet waste generated by it, before doing this, we need to segregate the waste. That is, the non-biodegradable waste like plastic needs to be segregated, and the biodegradable waste and the wet waste generated from the kitchen, they all can be converted into manure by using this process, and this can be used by the government to beautify the existing landscape in every layout they have, and also be used in Lal Bagh and Kaban Park to improve the quality of flowers and the greenery, etc. This will completely solve the problem of the city which it faces currently, especially in disposing of these wastes. After every function, we find that the waste is accumulated in all the nooks and corners, and it takes few days to clear them, and by the time it is cleared, the waste putrefies and generates bad odor everywhere, creating health hazards, and the dogs which feed on this, they become violent sometimes, and they also attack human beings. All these problems can be solved once we segregate. The quantum of waste is going to reduce significantly. The segregated non-biodegradable waste can be sent for recycling, and the biodegradable wet waste can be composted using this equipment, and the city can be turned into a beautiful place with striking greenery, and reducing the problem of accumulation of waste in nook and corner of the city. Such equipment will also help us to support the Prime Minister's initiative, which he declared to the country on October 2nd, Swachh Bharat. So I strongly recommend that the government of Karnataka and Bangalore especially should go for this equipment to mitigate the problem which it faces today in combating waste. Thank you. I am Srinivasan. I am working in this organization for the last 15 years. heading the engineering services and project function. One of the main, other than the engineering project function, my responsibility is also to take care of the environmental aspects of this company, and we feel proud to say that we are doing a decent job of it. Every layout, so that the waste accumulated in a particular layout can be composted and distributed to the residents at a cost, or used in the parks in this area, so that the waste problem is once and for all solved and people have a pleasant atmosphere in their area. So I strongly recommend going for this equipment to get over the problem of waste, which is a major problem faced by Bangalore and all major cities in our country.
So do you feel such equipments are cost effective?
They are very cost effective, and we should not be only worried about the cost. We should be also worried about the environmental damage this waste creates to the country, and the bad impression which it generates on outsiders who visit the place. So on both counts, we will be standing in good stead, and payback should not be the only criteria.
Sir, you tell the name of that equipment from Excel Industries.
Yeah, this equipment was procured from Excel Industries, who have supplied several equipments to many apartment complexes in Bangalore, and we visited and surveyed a few equipments before finalizing our choice on Excel Industries. The equipment is working. We commissioned that equipment in July to coincide with the World Environment Day, and till date it is working satisfactorily, and we don't find any problem as to why it will not work with us in solving our problem of wet waste in the years to come also.